really happy?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm super happy. I'm super motivated, of course, and I'm really happy to get the second time. But
Are you ready to rumble? Because you didn't race quite some time because of the birds. How do you feel physically?
100% good, feeling well, and of course I just missed the race, but I would say it's not affecting me really well because I'm training super hard at home. I had a good period for preparing myself, especially when I look on TV. In Adriatico in Paris, it's really bad weather, so I think for me, luckily, I had a good weather at home in altitude, of course. So it's also nice to stay more than 2 weeks. So I already used on the good way. But it's not affecting a lot. But of course, it's nice to have a race on the legs. But I would say for Sanremo, it's not a big deal. So I think for me, by my side, I'm 100% ready.
You seem very relaxed.
Of course, always.
And what do you expect of the race itself? Because the weather conditions aren't that great. Tailwinds.
Yeah.
How will that affect the race?
I think it's not going to be affect really all the way to the finish, but for sure if it's a wet road, tailwind. I think the tailwind is always like this. I think I raced 3 years already, so it's always tailwind until Cipressa Poggio. But maybe if it's really bad weather, I think it will affect maybe on the downhill of Cipressa or Poggio. But the rest I don't expect to be affected by the rain. But we will see. We will see. It's not going to be crazy bad weather, but we will expect maybe light rain. So that's going to be fine.
One final question.